filling it.
Stuff dropping on the ground on the side. And I said, nah, wait, I can do something with this.
Mostly Jamaican, Virgin Islands people, they have this. I'm here in Brooklyn, New York. We just swing by the Bay Market. I've been seeing a lot of great videos on the market itself because I needed to get some soursop. This is one of the super fruits that are very difficult to get. You can't find this everywhere. Aside from that, there's a long, wide variety of different vegetables and fruits that you can get here, close to organic practices as possible. The owner of this business himself travels to Grenada and come back, and the soursop is only here when it's in season. I'm gonna grab some melon, lime. Some of these items, you know, they have the conventional sticker. A lot of these items are being shipped straight from Grenada, St. Martinique. What is it, Martinique? I think those are the list of countries that is being shipped from. I'm just gonna take it in because I know their soil is rich. So let's go in and grab some. All right, you guys, turmeric and ginger gummies selling out real fast on upholdnutriment.com. If you have a snack drawers, definitely go on the website, read the reviews. These are high quality, helps to lower inflammation, great for the hair, skin, and nails. When I'm not juicing my ginger and turmeric, I always go for these because these are super convenient. And I just pop two and I go. And the taste is superb. So visit upholdnutriment.com. Grab yours before we sell out. You go to Whole Foods, you buy a whole bag. I think there's like 6 for $5. Let me see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me switch this soursop. Oh, cause he actually gave us like the fresh one. This probably just came in too. This is tamarind. You ever had this before? All right, so this is, it's sweet. It's like sweet and sour. I had a friend from the Virgin Islands and another one from mostly Jamaican, Virgin Island people. They have this.
Hey, buddy.
What's going on?
As usual.
All right.
How's everything?
Thank God, man.
All right.
I got some lime, Brazil nuts, high in selenium, some lime, of course, great for the electrolytes if you pair it with water. And we have some ginger root, some authentic cinnamon, and I'm gonna grab some more things, some melons and pineapple. Your shop, you have everything shipped straight from Grenada?
Not everything, but
okay.
most stuff.
Most stuff.
Most of the stuff. Yes.
And would you say the practices are similar to organic or conventional?
More organic. It's not certified organic,
right,
but it is organic.
Yes, I know. Right? It's difficult for a lot of farmers.
Well, you have to get certification,
yes,
and stuff like that.
Okay.
I mean, a lot of times people just play games with the names and stuff like that, but we just do our thing.
Okay, that's awesome.
We do our thing.
Why this?
Well, you know, in 1986, I went to Grenada and I saw all the fruits spoiling in the field and stuff dropping on the ground on the side. And I said, nah, wait, I can do something with this. You know, all this natural stuff just going to waste. So when I came back, I decided, let me do something. No, I didn't have no permits, nothing. I didn't know what to do, but I started. It was a hard lesson to learn. But then I say, you know, let me try to have my people eat good stuff at a reasonable price, you know, because when I look around, people, they're not eating too good.
Yeah.
And I tried, I started. It was a very tough road, but now I'm seeing some results. We see a lot of people, and I'm encouraged because I see a lot of young people coming, asking questions, they're eating the right thing, they want to know what to eat, and then I say, you know what, my work was not in vain.
Yes, because I do appreciate what you're doing, and it's like a diamond in the rough. We came out from Jersey. Okay. So we just like, okay, we appreciate what you're doing, and thank you for taking the time.
We appreciate you guys too.
Thank you.
Spread the word. And like I tell people, it's not just one day, it's a lifestyle.
Yeah.
So change your lifestyle, start bit by bit, and the body will take care of the rest.
That's it.
All right?
That's it.
Thank you so much. Nice having you.
All right, so right now we're gonna get some fresh coconut water. Come on, let's go see what they're doing. Okay. Oh, see, You want to come back here? Wow.
A half a gallon.
Yeah, and I see that. I see going in on it. No, no. Because when you think about it, you got a half a gallon of coconut water here. When you go and buy it in the store in the little containers, it's not as fresh, and you're not getting a half a gallon, right? You're getting like a liter for less than that. We have the coconut water here. I'm gonna do a quick taste test. I had a cup in the car from my smoothie earlier, so. This is my actual first time trying fresh coconut water. I might be lying though. This is really good. I'm shocked. It tastes clean. Most of the time when I try coconut water, it tastes like cereal milk. But this one tastes just like sweet, smooth. It's very fresh. So I could see why people sip on, I don't know if it's the type of coconut that we have, but this is different from what I'm used to tasting. I like this, I do. Okay. Right now I'm warming up for my leg workout. I typically don't like to warm up for too long on strenuous machines like the Stairmaster, only because loosening up the muscles too much prior to a leg workout isn't the best thing. But I want to work out quickly and efficiently, which is one of the reasons why I'm using this. I'm staying at a lower speed. I'm not increasing the rate too high so as I can keep my heart rate at a certain point. What would you consider this, a hack squat machine? Okay, this is a power squat machine. I've been to other gyms, I've seen hack squats. This is my first time using this. I just warmed up without the plates now, where I'll just put the 45s on both sides. And this is the interesting thing that I found out about while we're using this machine, our anatomy and foot placement, right? Because Ralph is taller and he's 6 foot and I'm a lot shorter. Let me just position my feet here. And I'm just gonna unlock this. And I like to step forward and go into that natural squat position here. But because Ralph is a lot taller, he can keep his legs further back and shift his hips and go down into that squat. So it's just interesting to see the differences in anatomy and how our bodies really determine how we use some of these machines, because they're generally not made for one specific body type. So whenever you're using a machine, keep that in mind. 3 weights can be more customizable to your body position, but when you use a machine, everybody looks different. But one thing to keep in mind is form, and that doesn't change regardless who you are. Making sure that you're hitting all the cues, knees, toes, back, posture, all of those things need to be put into consideration. So now we just re-rack these with the quarter. I'll be super mindful of my back. All right, here we go. Padding in place. Position my feet. Lift up. Okay, that's good. That feels good. I really feel it in my glutes when I go down and come back up. New machine. I haven't tried it yet. Ralph just racked it up. My feet placement is turned outwards to focus more on the inner thigh. I'm holding on here, bring it in, and then press right back out. I definitely feel more of the stretch. I don't want to lock my knees when I push forward. I just want to have that contraction, smooth. Breathing the whole way through. I feel it in my inner thighs. I feel these in my lower glutes as well, which feels nice. Whew. Just gotta do 2 more. Feeling it in my glutes more. Last one. That's it for the workout, and I'm gonna head over to the sauna so I can make sure I can stretch. I'll see you guys next clip.